Everybody, Doug here with the next Loot Crate, the January 2016 Loot Crate, the theme of which is Invasion, Q-Theremin. Presumably to tie into the Return of the X-Files, which happened late January, and I believe there's an X-Files item in here.
Yay!
Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah, we've got... That's a whole lot of spaceships. And we start with...
A t-shirt with
a
saucers.
t-shirt, which is an X-Files t-shirt, apparently. Although it could be any aliens. But presumably that's, yeah, it does kind of look like Mulder and Scully back in the day. Those really horrible 90s women's suits that they put Scully into that made her look way wider than she really was. And aliens invading. Next we have Space Invaders mini alien vinyl figure. And the classic arcade games, which I could never get more than 2 levels past. And boop, boop, boom, and they just keep a coming forever. Looks like there were a variety of possible colors. I got purple and blue. All right. And the world's cutest face hugger. I'll just... Oh! It's attacking. All of... Can't get it off. Can't get it off. Oh, okay. I pulled it off my face. There we go. Yeah, with cute little... Apparently you can get other cute little aliens.
That's ridiculous. But he is pretty cute.
Yeah, it is. And yes, it is in fact officially alien.
Oh, he's so soft.
Oh.
He can hug my refrigerator.
An X-Files LED flashlight with batteries. They actually included the batteries. Good on them. I'm going to slice that open while I...
Yeah.
I think this band was supposed to hold something together, but it managed not to. Multipass. I have a multipass from Fifth Element.
Ah!
And it's Lilu's multipass, because that is how you have to say it. Because that's how Lilu said it. Multi. And, I guess something to put your own ID in. So, yeah, you can actually use it. Yeah. You can find similar cards and put them in. But you could wear that to a convention or something. And keep flashing like, yep, there. I'm allowed in. Because multipass. And if you don't let me in, Mila Jovovich will show up and kick you in the head. This month's pin. This pin unlocks something epic. Yeah, I think I saw something about that on their Facebook feed. Something about the pins now actually do something on the Loot Crate website.
Oh, do they now?
Oh yeah, giant robot. So that focus, that's as focused as it gets. Giant robot with a Loot Crate. And Invasion of the Mini Prints. Whatever that may mean. Oh, that's cool.
Wow.
Old
Classic.
movie poster for yeah, classics, War of the Worlds, and The Day the Earth Stood Still. And as always, the magazine that comes along with it, including How to Survive an Alien Invasion, an X-Files Quick Start Guide, and of course a list of all the items in case it's from a franchise you don't know. I did know all of them. Yeah, Alien Facehugger plush. And they were all exclusives. I think they're going to be mostly exclusives from now on. Oh, okay, it looks like you can use the pin to download a free comic book. A comic called Letter 44, which doesn't make sense, because that's not a letter. But I'm sure there's a reason for it. Right, what could we have gotten if we'd won the Mega Crate? Worth over $2,000. A wireless headset. The complete X-Files on Blu-ray.
Oh.
The entire thing. That would have been cool. Admiral Akbar with apparently his head off so you can see a human being underneath. Oh my god, do you mean he wasn't real? There was actually a human in that suit?
It was a trap.
Yes! Sneaky so-and-sos. A more frightening face hugger, a backpack, and a few other things. Oh, and Wayne kindly put the box together. Inside out, it's
An arcade.
looks like an arcade game called Invasion, which I guess it says on the back you can actually go to Loot Crate's website and maybe play this game, which I expect I will not be especially good at. So, to sum up, cool movie poster prints, a Space Invader, the pin, a multi-pass, cute face hugger, and did you put the batteries in?
Not successfully.
Okay, alright, so we'll just display it for now. The X-Files flashlight, and the X-Files t-shirt.
Yay!
Thanks, Crate. Good stuff in this one. They've slowly been getting better.
I think so.
Yeah. Alright, well, that's it for this month, and we will see you again next month. Bye.
Bye.